Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to set up and customize personal focus in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and now click on focus. And then click on personal, and here you can customize your personal focus. And in people section you can add a people to silent notifications. Then click on add, and here you can add the people to silent notifications, and here you can add any. Then click on done, and here you can add apps to silent notification. Click on add, and then click on apps you want to silent, and then click on done. And here you can choose your lock screen during personal focus. And after that you can choose a home screen page from here during personal focus, and then click on done. And then you can smart activation you can turn on, and if you turn this button off, automatically turn personal focus. And then go back, and if you want to delete your this personal focus, then simply click on delete focus, it will be deleted. So this is the way to set up and customize personal focus in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.